On this week's stream tip, I do a quick review using my GoPro Max and going live on GoPro.com from the GoPro app. Here are 7 quick facts. 1. There is no chat. 2. I could not find any community guidelines or TOS. But people can report the stream for sexual content, violent or repulsive content or spam or misleading or illegal or other whatever that means. And they give an email for copyright infringement, copyright@gopro.com. 3. As for discovery, there is none. You must share a randomized link to a social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, or an Instagram post. 4. There are no VODs, but if you have the same stream link to view the stream, it becomes a replayable video. There are no options that I saw to delete, edit, download or anything to that replay other than just changing the resolution for replaying purposes. 5. GoPro.com does limit your streams to maximum 2-hour streams. 6. Stream title at first set to a default streaming live from my #GoPro Max, or to whatever GoPro device you are streaming on like GoPro 8 or 9. And 7. To use their live functionality you will need to subscribe to their cloud storage services, which is $5 a month. Who did they make this for? From the looks of it, they made it for existing GoPro Cloud subscribers as an added benefit and try to encourage new users to subscribe for this added feature to make their die-hard GoPro users to live stream with a little less steps than connecting to a third-party platform like Facebook, YouTube, or Twitch. I don't expect many or any users that have no interest in their cloud services and only subscribing just for the live streaming benefit. Are they testing to see if they should run a full-blown platform themselves and compete on the stage of Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube? I think it's a possibility GoPro could be using this feature to see if it's worth tipping their toes into this avenue of potentially getting either A, more subscribers, in which in my opinion won't convince enough GoPro users that only got the GoPro for live streaming to use their subscriber live streaming service, or B, doing a full-blown live streaming platform and competing against ultra-giant companies like YouTube, Facebook and Twitch in the future. But I think this experiment will fail if they plan to do this for B. I just don't anticipate many people using their live streaming where it's private streaming only unless you share or give out the link to the stream, and without any chat. So at best they use their current live streaming service just as a test and eventually plan to open it up to the public non-subscribers to test it even further. So in conclusion, I would avoid using GoPro.com live streaming even if you were already a cloud subscriber. I literally see no benefit than streaming to Facebook, Twitch or YouTube.
If you're interested in looking to getting whitelisted, please look below in the video description for links. You can also contact me direct message on Discord, email OutdoorIRL@gmail.com, or DM me on Twitter @OutdoorIRL. Thanks for watching. Please, if you found any value in this video, hit the like and subscribe. If you love Outdoor IRL content, hit the bell to get notified on other videos. See you next time guys.